are back with a new month, so we have a new theme. We're not going to talk about winter weather anymore, even though the weather is very cold and wintry right now.
And it's snowing outside.
Yeah, but this month is February, and there's actually a couple of interesting things that we're going to be discussing this month. It's Black History Month, and it's also, what's the holiday that's coming up?
Next Sunday, it's Valentine's Day.
It's Valentine's Day.
That's why we have all these like pretty paintings. And stuff.
So this week we're going to be talking about love and Valentine's Day and family and friends. And so we have something really exciting to share with you today, though. The Park District is offering a new program, and it's called Make and Take. And so some of the fun things that we do on our videos, you'll have the opportunity to go and purchase the supplies that you'll need at the Life Center, and you can do it along with us. And so this week, we are going to make waffles, and we've got these cute little heart-shaped waffle makers. And so these will be available for you to purchase at the Life Center if you want to go grab one, and you can make them along with us. So you'll have the waffle maker and also the mix that you will need to help make the waffles. Go ahead.
And also, I've never seen a heart-shaped waffle before, and it's cute.
I know, we've never made them, so this is a first for us, so we're really excited to try it. You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's get started.
Okay, so this is what will come in your little box with your waffle maker. You've got your mini waffle maker. Open it up so we can see what the inside looks like. Look, it's a little heart. It's so cute. And then you also get this little recipe book, and it has all kinds of recipes for things that you can make. There's red velvet waffles. There's waffle pops. Look at those. Those look really good. Waffle pops. All kinds of different stuff you can make.
Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and measure out our ingredients. We're following the recipe on our pancake mix, and we're making sure to follow the recipe for waffles, not for pancakes.
Okay, now that we've put all of our ingredients in, we're just whisking it all up until the lumps disappear. Okay, we just plugged in our waffle maker, and this little blue light will come on when it's heating up. And when the little blue light turns off, then you know that it's ready to use.
Our blue light turned off, which means we are ready to make some waffles. And I'm going to do this part because the waffle maker is kind of hot. So I'm going to open it up, and I've got my 1/4 of a cup scoop. And I'm just going to get 1/4 of a cup of our waffle mix, and I'm going to pour it right into that heart. And then I'm going to shut the waffle maker and let it cook.
Look at all that steam.
Okay, it looks like it's ready, so I'm going to use my little spatula to get it out.
If she can get it out.
Yes. All right, now Ivy's going to try one. And one step that I forgot the first time, which it actually still worked just fine, but I'm going to do it the second time, is take some cooking spray and spray it on there. Just to make sure that it doesn't stick. All right, go ahead. Don't touch the waffle maker. Perfect. Oh, we got a little overflow. That's all right. Shut the waffle maker.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's all right. Messes happen sometimes when you're cooking, right?
Yeah.
You can also put some add-ins. We decided to add some chocolate chips into some of our waffles, and this is what they turned out like.
Who's ready to eat some waffles?
All right, now that we've made our waffles, we're going to top them with some maple syrup, and we're going to give them a try.
They're going to be so delicious.
Okay, we hope you guys enjoyed this video about making heart-shaped waffles for Valentine's Day, and we hope you can get to the Life Center and pick up your own waffle maker so you can make it along with us. Okay, we hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day, and we'll see you soon. Bye!